Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Zen eggs and grow a garden. One primary method is visiting the Zen shop, located in the middle of the island. Here, you can purchase a Zen egg for 30 Kai. Remember, the shop's inventory refreshes approximately every 30 to 60 minutes, so check back often if it is not currently available. Alternatively, for a quicker acquisition, you may buy one for 149 Robux. To earn the Kai needed for Zen eggs, you must provide tranquil plants to the Zen shop merchant. These special plants can be obtained during the Zen Aura event, which happens at the start of every hour and lasts for 10 minutes, randomly mutating fruits in your garden. Additionally, some helpful pets, such as the Tanches Yuru, possess abilities that can apply the tranquil mutation to your crops, boosting your Kai collection. Another excellent way to acquire Zen eggs is by growing the Zen tree. You achieve this by donating your tranquil fruits to the Zen channeler, found in the center of the map. As the Zen tree progresses through its stages, you will receive various event-themed prizes, including valuable Zen eggs. For optimal growth, focus on cultivating high-point fruits, such as bone blossoms, to maximize your contributions. Once you have obtained your Zen eggs, patience is key, as they take approximately 4 hours and 10 minutes to hatch. Each egg has the potential to reveal one of 6 distinct pets, ranging in rarity. To maximize your chances of getting these unique companions, consider using multiple accounts to gather more eggs daily. This strategy can significantly increase your overall collection rate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.